welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I will be solving some past paper questions on microwaves, so let's get started. Today I will be solving question 6 part A and B from the May-June 2023 session, paper 4 variant 1. A mobile phone network uses microwaves of frequency 1.9 times 10 to the power of 9 Hz to transmit and receive signals. The speed of microwaves in air is 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Calculate the wavelength of these microwaves in air. Alright, first let's recall the formula. Wavelength is equal to speed times frequency. Next, substitute in the values. That would give us wavelength is equal to 3 times 10 to the power of 8 multiplied by 1.9 times 10 to the power of 9, which would leave us with a final answer of 5.7 times 10 to the power of 17 lambdas. Part B asks us to state 2 reasons why microwaves are used for mobile phone signals. Alright, first let's state that microwaves can penetrate through certain materials. This would make the signals more accessible, even across wider distances. Next, we can say that microwaves need shorter antennas. This is because they have shorter wavelengths and a higher frequency, which would allow for shorter antennas. That would be the end of our question. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and if you have any doubts, feel free to comment them down below. I'll be glad to answer.